Hi, I'm Amy, the Senior Brand Manager for Face at CoverGirl. I'm going to show you how to apply our new Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer. So you just unscrew this little purple cap and then you put the applicator into the formula. So when you pull the applicator out, you might be surprised. It looks like there's not too much formula on here, but it actually gives you the perfect amount. We don't want you to waste any product, so we really gave you a very perfect amount just to be able to dot this under your eyes and cover enough so that you can use the cooling ceramic wand to apply without making a big mess. So just like I've done here, you're just gonna dot under the eye, then you're gonna take the side of the applicator and you'll see it feels cooling, and you're just gonna roll this back and forth, and this is allowing you to depuff the under eye with that cooling applicator. It feels so nice to have the cooling depuffing action, and then also the formula is just super hydrating, so you're really plumping up this under eye area. So you'll see that the applicator blended it out quite well, but you can always take your finger or a beauty sponge just to kind of blur any edges and blend it in seamlessly. So here's with the concealer and here's without. You can see it really brightens up any darkness and smooths over and depuffs this under eye area.